Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po 100% accurate para sa'yo. The energy is timeless. So, ito ay pwedeng nangyari na, nangyayari ngayon, or mangyayari pa lang. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa Scorpio. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energy at messages for you. Mga gabay at blessings for Scorpio. Scorpio. Mga paparating na energies and messages for Scorpio. Okay. Mayroong abundance, kasaganahan sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay, it seems that your hard work will be paid off, no? Okay, yung mga struggles ninyo matatapos na for some of you, okay? Things will be better now for you, okay? Yung iba sa inyo nag-aantay ng approval, nag-aantay ng isang result, okay? Maybe sa trabaho to, or business ventures, or creative venture, or passion project, no? You are waiting for a result, no? A positive result. Okay? Okay. So, keep on fighting. Don't give up, Scorpio, for some of you, okay? Merong blessings na paparating sa inyo, kasaganahan or happy home life, no? Kung ano man yung mga pangangailangan ninyo, emotional man or material needs, it will be provided, okay? Yeah, don't give up, no? Believe in yourself. The Tower, okay. Merong sudden na event or pangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon, maybe sa work to, okay, na magbibigay sa inyo ng confidence, okay? Yeah, believe in yourself. Do not underestimate yourself. Move forward ka lang sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong trabaho, okay? Merong good news about financial matter. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matatanggap na mga referrals, okay, about a job opportunity or maybe a project, no? Or prospects, no? Yeah. May mga kailangan kayong tingnan or pag-aralan, okay? Yeah, for some of you. This is about kaperahan, about an opportunity to earn. Okay? You are protecting what you have or what you have created. Kung ano na yung mga naipundar or na-establish ninyo, Scorpio. Okay? You are protective of it. You are protecting yourself also. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are setting boundaries. You are learning to say no. No? Most especially sa mga tao na nangiistorbo sa inyo or magbibigay lang ng distraction. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Merong paparating na abundance sa inyo, Scorpio. Just wait patiently. Okay? And this is also a time for you to plan for the future, no? Yeah. Long-term plan. You are thinking about success in money, okay? About kasaganahan or improvement sa inyong status, okay? High Priestess, okay? For some of you, yeah, kung ano man yung mga plano ninyo, keep it to yourself, okay? Don't share it, okay? It is not yet time to reveal kung anong mga plans ninyo, Scorpio. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong niluluto na something, maybe a project. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Meron kayong mga, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are getting information. You are getting information. You are researching about someone or about a project. Okay? Ace of Wands. Yes. Career advancement, expansion, and growth, no? Kung hindi man sa career, ito ay isang negosyo or business for some of you. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, change your life now. Okay? Merong mga exciting na mangyayari sa inyong buhay or sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to be patient. Merong mga minor delays in the situation. Okay? Queen of Swords. Okay? You need to focus, no? Focus kung ano yung gusto ninyong mangyari, kung anong direksyon, or kung ano yung inyong goal, no? You are clearing away all things that no longer serve you. For some of you, Scorpio. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are overcoming pains or challenges in your life. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, parang meron kayong, you are being independent, no? You have the freedom to do kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin. Okay? Yeah. You know what you want for some of you. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are excited about the future. You are planning something, no? Something exciting. Yung iba sa inyo, you are taking a new direction. Okay? Maybe this is a travel. Yeah, about a partnership. Planning. Maybe this is a business, business partnership for some of you. Look, you are looking forward to it for a successful relationship. Yes, meron mga planning, pag-uusap about that, about sa mga kailangan gawin. Yeah, focus. Focus on your goal. Okay? Communicate kung ano yung vision ninyo. Okay? About sa trabaho or sa career man yan or sa creative venture. Okay? Or business venture. Be creative for some of you. Take the initiative. Kung ano yung mas makakabuti for a long-term relationship. Okay? Yeah. So, babalik ang kasiglahan sa inyo, Scorpio. A sense of vitality. This is joy and happiness. This is something that you deserve. Okay? This is well-earned for you. May desisyon kayong matatanggap. Okay? Your hard work will be paid off for some of you. Yung mga efforts ninyo will be recognized. Okay? A decision will be communicated to you. It is something that will make you happy. Okay? Yeah, and this is something that will make you happy and good. No? Merong improvement na mangyayari in your situation. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, matagal mo na to tinatrabaho and ngayon lang magkakaroon ng magandang resulta. Okay? Magkakaroon na ng aksyon. Kung dati parang stagnant, walang nangyayari, but now, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta. Okay? Things will suddenly move for you. Okay? Fortune is on your side, no? Fortune is on its way for you, Scorpio. Okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon ka ng confidence at kumpiyansa sa sarili. Merong sense of energy or vitality sa inyo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be making a decision. Okay? Yeah. Merong clarity about a family situation for some of you. This is also success, no? A breakthrough, victory. Okay? Merong kasaganahan or karangyaan. You are making a legacy, Scorpio. Okay? Yes. So, meron talagang success and happiness na mangyayari sa inyo, Scorpio. Merong gatherings, fun, okay? Parties, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, this is an announcement of promotion or success, okay? Yeah. This is about a collaboration, okay? You are excited about this for some of you, okay? Yeah. Nice. Breakthrough, success. Okay. Para sa inyo. Kung dati merong stalemate, yung parang walang nangyayari and you are waiting for this. Okay. Now, you will get parang paunti-unti nagkakaroon na ng clarity ang situation. Nakukuha nyo na kung ano yung totoo sa isang sitwasyon. It will make you happy. Magbibigay ito sa inyo ng financial stability and security, not only for you, but for your family, okay? You are building or creating a legacy, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong travel na mangyayari, merong planning, a get-together, okay? Yeah, nice. Yung iba sa inyo, mapapawi ang inyong stress, no? Kumbaga, kung ano man tong victory and success na matatanggap ninyo, kumbaga, masusuklian ito, no? Masusuklian ito ng kasiyahan, okay? Para sa inyo. Okay. Fruits of labor. It's time to reap the fruits of your labor and become rich. Rich gain is here. Okay? Surprise. An unexpected turn can bring positive change. Be ready for change. Okay? So, merong magandang pagbabago or a positive change na mangyayari in your situation. Most especially pagdating sa inyong trabaho or business. Okay? You will be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Rich gain, no, is here. Merong foresight. Pay attention to things that are important to ensure wealth. Be farsighted and alert, okay? So, be alert. Okay? Ensure, pay attention sa mga sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Be vigilant also. Okay? Protect your wealth for some of you. Protect what you have established or what you have created. 44. If you keep seeing the number 44, this is the message for you. Your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with diligence and determination, and even greater success will come in the future. I am supported. Okay? Yes, you are supported by the universe. Excuse me. Kailangan ng sipag at determinasyon, no? Kung ano yung goals ninyo. Follow through. Okay? Sipag at tiyaga. Scorpio, additional message for Scorpio, please. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, pay attention sa mga kakailanganin, no? To ensure win or to ensure wins. Okay? to ensure your wealth. It is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, get excited about your future and all it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back to you. With a little conscious effort on your part, that happy ending can and will be yours. Believe that. Okay? So, magtiwala. Okay? Get excited instead of worrying. Okay? So, Scorpio, these are the messages for you. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!